Have you ever watched a movie or show and thought, I could totally create something like that? Well, what if I told you that you could put on your own amazing play this summer, right in your backyard, with just your friends and family as your audience? Picture this. It's summer break, and you're sitting around feeling bored. You love theater and the arts, but you think you need fancy equipment, a real stage, or years of experience to create something meaningful. Maybe you've dreamed of directing or acting, but it feels impossible without a proper theater program. Here's the thing. You can create an incredible theatrical experience using almost nothing but creativity and enthusiasm. I'm talking about a full backyard production that will leave your audience amazed and give you real experience in every aspect of theater. Let me walk you through exactly how to make this happen in 5 simple steps. First, choose a short play or create your own 15 to 20-minute script. Pick something with a small cast, maybe 3 to 5 characters maximum. You can find free short plays online. Or better yet, write your own story. This works because short productions keep everyone engaged and make rehearsals manageable. The benefit? You'll actually finish your project instead of getting overwhelmed. Second, assign roles beyond just acting. Make someone the director, someone else the costume designer, another person handles props and set design. Even with a small group, everyone gets multiple jobs. This works because theater is collaborative, and when everyone has ownership, they stay more committed. You'll discover hidden talents and learn skills you never knew you had. Third, use your space creatively. Your backyard, living room, or garage can become any setting with simple props and imagination. Hang sheets for curtains, use cardboard for scenery, and let your audience use their imagination for the rest. This approach works because limitations actually boost creativity. Professional theater started this way too. The benefit is learning that great theater comes from storytelling, not expensive sets. Fourth, rehearse consistently but keep it fun. Set aside 1 hour every other day for 2 weeks. That's only 7 rehearsals total. Run through the script, practice timing, and work out any technical issues. Consistent short rehearsals work better than marathon sessions because they prevent burnout and let ideas develop naturally. You'll see improvement every single time you practice. Fifth, create a simple production experience. Print programs, set up chairs, maybe serve popcorn or lemonade during intermission. This works because it makes your production feel official and special. Your audience will appreciate the effort, and you'll feel like real theater professionals. I know what you're thinking. This sounds too simple to actually work, or maybe you're worried about looking silly in front of family and friends. I felt the same way when I first tried this. But here's what happened. After just 2 weeks of preparation, our little backyard production had family members asking for encore performances. People talked about it for months. Some of the participants discovered they loved directing more than acting. Others found confidence they never knew they had. Here's your challenge. Pick 1 weekend in the next month to perform your production. Give yourself exactly 2 weeks to prepare. That's enough time to create something amazing without making it feel like work. Remember, every professional actor, director, and playwright started with simple projects like this. Sometimes the smallest stages create the biggest breakthroughs.